Today on Khaos Bikes Garage, we're going to talk about how to do a quick and easy dirt bike rim dent and deformation repair. It's super simple. It may not be a perfect solution, but it's going to make your rim a lot more sturdy, a lot more stable, and it's going to make people stop going, hey, your rim's all fucked up. It might also help with pinch flats, which I just got. So I figured it'd be a good time, because I'm pulling off my tire anyways, to film this short video for you and show you how I fix my rims. You're only going to need a couple simple tools. Basically, the only tool you're going to need is a shop press. You can find them cheap at Harbor Freight or Princess Auto if you're in Canada, or you can borrow one off one of your friends. Examine your rim, find out where your dents are. I would highly suggest putting a rag or a piece of wood on the press, so you don't mar your rim up too much. And go lightly, a little bit at a time is good, less is more, and slowly start smashing out these dents. It's going to take you a little bit of time, but this really only took me about 15 minutes or so with the wheel off the bike and the tire off the wheel. As you can see, the dents come out quite nicely. This is also a good time to tighten up your spokes once you're done this. Make sure everything is nice and true. Of course, just take your time. You don't want to go too much. Although a little bit more, like a little bit too much, it's not really going to cause a problem. Especially on the front, it's a lot easier to mount and take off the tire on the front. So it's not going to make as much of a difference, I feel like, as the back would. And yes, I have also done this to a back wheel. You can see we got a really nasty spot right here. We're going to bring this back pretty much to new. It's pretty good right there. It's not quite where I want it to be. Gave her a little bit more. As you can see, the rim is pretty true now. As I'm going through here, I just noticed one little spot. Gonna clean that up. We're gonna be pretty much ready to go. So if your rims are all messed up, and you can get your hands on a shop press, either by buying one or renting one from one of your friends, this is the way to fix your rims. No having to worry about buying a new wheel that costs around $1,000. Just repair it until it doesn't work no more. With that, Khaos dubs out. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, share the content, like it, subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one.